Hello everyone, welcome to another Affinity Photo tutorial. I know that it's been a while since I last posted one of these videos, but I swear I will try to be more active into posting, tutorials and videos and everything. So in this video, I will show you three quick tips using Affinity Photo. I will show you how to do a quick mockup. Really quick mockup, really easy. You can use it. I used to do this all the way back in 2018, 2019. How to add textures really quickly, one button, and you can add any textures you like. And the last one is how to link objects in Affinity Photo, just like smart objects in Photoshop. So as always, let's just get right into it. Okay, so to start, I have this file. You all know it's 4x5, so it's the standard Instagram portrait format. I added a background and I added some noise. So now, after we do this, what we are going to be doing is we have to open any file you want. You can open it on Affinity Photo. So let's just go and let me find something. Let's open it on Affinity Photo. So just like that, you can see that I have the file right here. Okay, now let's just go into save as, and now let's close it. Yeah, I know, or we can leave it open, and let's just go here. And what we are going to do is that document that we just created, we are going to be sliding it into here. Okay, just like that. And we are going to be creating a new layer and fill it black, just like that. Now we have this new layer that it's filled black. Now we're going to be moving it to the bottom layer, just like that. What I like to do is do the Gaussian blur. Let's do the Gaussian blur, and let's do something like 10. Now let's do something like 5, just like that. Let's do 5, just like that. And let's take this. And now if we're going to move it a few pixels to the left and a few to the bottom, just like that. We're barely moving it, just like that. Now let's go here and let's do something like 25, just like that. Okay. And you can see without the shadow, with shadow. So you can see that it's like a really subtle shadow. That shadow makes the entire difference. Now from here, we can just go here and do the editing, the basic editing on the part. Let's pull the brightness up, matches. Let's pull the contrast a little bit. Good. So basically like that, and you can see that it looks a little bit more on par with the entire deck. So let's just change the background. Let's do something like a purple, and let's make the purple a little bit darker, just like that. Okay, and that's basically how we can do a really quick mockup on Affinity Photo. And you remember that I said that we have something like, smart object. What's the benefit of doing a mockup with a smart object? Is that, for example, if I don't want this deck anymore, I can just double click here and it will bring this up. Okay, and from here I can just take any other design. Let's do this one. Okay, now for this one, what are we going to be doing is we just need it to be on the exact same level as the previous one, as our previous card. Let's turn this off, and now we just close, and just like that we have the card right there, and we still have the mockup. And we can even take it and just move it a little bit, and let's move it there. Okay, just like that. Now we can again change the color. Let's do this. No, that's like too bright for my taste. Let's do this one. Let's do this one, but let's do it around there. That's good. Yeah, and we can basically change both the design, just like a smart object, and we have a mockup, just like Photoshop. How cool is that? Okay, now to add the texture. Now let's say that I want some textures on the card. Okay, so let's open the card again. And I want the card to have some holes or to look a weather or something like that. Or I want the bottom design to be showing on top of it, but using a texture. So let's just go and let's select a texture like this one. Okay, so I have this one. Now I just want this part to be on the card. Now we're going to click and let's do this just like that. And you know, you can like make it multiply or all that, but here's something we can do. We can actually take it, go into layer and click on rasterize mask, just like that. And you see it basically like creates a mask. It deletes everything that is below it. See, so it basically deletes it. It's not the same as adding like a speckle. It deletes everything that is below it. And the cool thing is that you can activate or deactivate it however you like. Now we just group this just like that. You can see that it has the effect of the card below. It's basically like a ghost card. You see it? Just like that. Now we can close it and you can see that the design is right there. How cool is that? I know, it's really cool. I wish I knew this a while back. Now let's just do a quick photo, something that we can post on Instagram. So what we can do is take this and now let's just duplicate it. Take all of this, let's group it, and we are going to be putting it in the middle, just like that. And what we are going to be doing is we're going to be twisting it just a little bit, just like that. And we take one of this and just put it just like that. And barely see. Take one of this and put it there, just like that. Okay, and we have a really quick Instagram ready photo to post. So let's just go into file, let's go into export, and let's export it. Okay, and just like that, once we exported it, we can see it right here. We can see that drop shadow, and we can see that texture that the photo already has. So that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, see you in the next tutorial. Peace. I don't know why I did this. It's just that I see a lot of people like doing this and then the video ends, so it looks really cool for me. I don't know if I will keep this on the video or not, but yeah, I just imagine that right now the video ends.